Okay, okay. Hey babes, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha Henry. Welcome back if you are a subscriber, and welcome if you are new. So today we are talking about Love Me Hair. I'm sure you guys have heard about the brand Love Me Hair. They sell quality, affordable units as well as other products for your hair needs. I have used their products before. I have purchased a U-part wig, and that U-part wig lasted me over 2 years. It was super versatile, super high quality, and super affordable. Today we're going to be talking about their 5x5 undetectable unit, a undetectable, easy, carefree, manageable wig that anyone can use even if you're a beginner. This is super beginner friendly. You do not have to be a wig goddess or a wig connoisseur to make this look natural. Without further ado, let me show you what I got. So here's our unboxing. We are opening the box and here we have a beautiful message that says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on," by Helena, the founder of Love Me Hair. In the box, we have the bag that comes with the unit. We also have a small pouch that is super cute. It has a few goodies inside. The pouch is reusable with a zip closure. It contains a dual-sided edge brushing comb. It also contains tweezers, an extra band, bobby pins, a Love Me hair clip, a Love Me hair tie, and an instructions manuals to help you take care of your unit. This is the hair freshly out of the package. It has been sitting in the box for a month or so, but the hair is still very soft, still very luxurious. The unit has a 5x5 closure with a undetectable lace. The lace is pretty transparent with a natural tone. The closure was pre-plucked. I may go in later on and pluck a little bit more, but for this install I won't be plucking or bleaching the knots. The knots towards the front of the closure are small and then they get bigger towards the back. This is a close-up of the closure and the lace. The unit comes with lace towards the nape of the neck, 4 wig combs, and adjustable straps, one on either side of the nape. The other 3 wig combs are located around the 5x5 closure. This unit features an adjustable band with multiple options for loosening or tightening. This hair comes in 24 inches in a body wave texture. The hair is a 1B, looks very natural. It's not too dark and it's not too light. So I have the wig right here, and this is it in all of its glory. I do not have the strap that was inside, but I think I'm going to just use this little clip here on both sides and see if that works, or I'll just add the strap that's on the inside to the wig. But I think I'm just gonna throw it on and just see what we have. And already I'm really liking this lace. It's looking real natural. It's not too thick. It's pretty thin, one of the thinnest laces that I've seen. But I'm gonna snatch this off and then I'm gonna throw this on, and I'm just gonna clasp it right next to the clip here, and hopefully that isn't too tight. We have a little bit of lace on the bottom as I showed you before, but I'm not going to take that off just yet. I am going to leave that on and I'll deal with that later. I just want to throw this on and see if there's any adjustments that I'll have to make. So we have the wig on and there is absolutely no adjustments made. I have not cut the lace. I have not done anything to it. And this is what it just looks like right outside of the box. It hits me at my waist or just under my waist, and it has a natural curl. This has been sitting in a box for quite some time, so the hair is just a little, needs a little TLC. I love that this lace almost disappears into my skin. I may go in and pluck a little later on, but for now it's looking very natural. So I've decided to go ahead and use a powder as well as a brush to help camouflage some of the knots on the lace. So I'm using this Fenty powder in 350. It's the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder, and I'm going to be applying that directly to the front of the lace and near the parting. I have with me a old school flat iron. It doesn't even have the brand on it. It's rubbed off. I think it's by Conair. Just use what you have. I also have with me a Beauty Supply Store hot comb that I'm going to use to melt the front of the hair. While I wait for that to heat up, I'm just going to go right ahead and cut off the bottom of the lace. So this wig looks really good with minimal effort. What I am going to do is use the OG G2B Glued Spray, and I'm just going to get this down so that it can look as seamless as possible. Okay, this is super cute. I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair a little bit. I just want to talk about the hair and how I feel about the texture of the hair. It is super soft and silky. The lace is not too dense and not too thick. I feel like that's one of the surefire ways to end up having a wiggy looking wig if there's way too much density. Okay, this is after being straightened. This is it right out of the package. I do want to see how this hair looks in its natural state, and maybe that's something that I'll do next to just test it out in the body wave texture. It looks super cute and it's super lightweight and has a nice sheen, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so that we can finally take off the lace. And that looks gorgeous. So that looks super natural with my edges slightly showing, but that's not going to show too much. But I love that if the wind blows, you'll only see a little bit of edges. Some of this hair is kind of stuck down, but I'll show you a quick way to fix that. Just go ahead and back comb like this. That way you break the cast of your G2B. Perfect. As you can see, the lace looks super natural. Everything is pretty blended in. I'm going to start on the inside, on the middle portion. Perfect. It looks so good. Literally, that is it. You don't have to do anything else. That's it. That's all. Done. That didn't take me any time. If I was not filming this, that would have taken 10 minutes maybe. And it looks so good. The hair is so long. It hits me below my waist, practically my hip bone. So the 24 inches is a good 24 inch, and it's pretty full throughout. So this is the finished look. I did not use any of the clips except for the back comb and the two straps that are attached near the back comb. I will eventually try the thick strap, but right now I don't feel like I need that. I feel like I don't need any other security other than what I have already used. But yes, this hair is so gorgeous, guys. Trust me when I say this is one of the better quality units that I own, and you know me if you've seen any of my other videos, I love quality hair. So the hair feels so nice, so luxurious, so long, and I love the nice sheen. Yes, look at, okay, yes, yes, yes. Love Me Hair has done it again. They are so good for affordable quality units. Anyone can purchase this. It is not too expensive and it's giving you exactly what you need for the price. You have a quality unit. Now you can go ahead and customize this as much or as little as you prefer. I wanted something that was super easy, so this is why I picked this unit, because I knew that I can just throw it on and go. I wouldn't have to do a lot of fussing. I literally cannot stop looking at myself because I think this is so nice. It's so pretty. Okay, so that's it for me today, babes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments down below. I have all of the links located down below as far as the particular unit that I am wearing right now, and any other discount codes or affiliate codes that you might be interested in. So definitely check it down in the description box for all of that information. Regardless, send your questions down in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching.